out here at JAXWAX. We on the GoPro. They got a little sprinkle in the air. It's scaring people off. So I'm switching the GoPro so we're good on the rain. We lost the light, but I ain't gonna sweat it. It's not even 9 o'clock. It's still flowing out here. People still rolling in. It said it goes to like 11, I think, but I ain't doing that. Oh, look. What is that? What is that? What is that? Hold on a second. What is this? What is this? You want a ground guide? You got it? You want a ground guide? Ground guide?
No, I'm good. I got it.
Yeah, a couple of inches just to be inside the fire line. Look at this right here. I think it's crazy. Got him. Oh, we got this over here. Let's get it. Some of this right here. Some of that right there. There is a vendor out here. Let's get him. Pepe's. There's a line. There's a line waiting for Pepe's over here. There's bikes here. We get on the bikes.
Sorry.
There's bikes over here. We got to get on the bikes. Got to show them the bikes, right?
I guess.
We'll film these. What year is this?
08.
This is a 2008. All right. A 2008 Road Glide. He's got graphics on here. Let's get that. Here we go. Now we get the view. So thank you to the owner on this one. He went ahead and turned the lights on, so we get to see a little more detail with the lighting. And then we'll come over here and we'll get that shot right there. All right. He's in the background now, but we'll get this other one. Here's this. And then there's a bike over here. And there's that. I don't know if I got this, but here it is. It's running. So I'm gonna get a little exhaust. It's got lights all over it. And there's the roller. There's the roller. Lifted killer. There's the Instagram. Follow him on Instagram, there it is. And he's out like that.